Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashanahan back with a new video, and today if you want to see how I got my puffs and how I laid these baby hairs, I will have the video linked down below. This is a part 2. This is where the makeup tutorial comes in. So I have this nice purple smoky eyes, giving me Purple Rains type of vibes. And today I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Zodiac Palette. Yes, I'm back on my BH Cosmetics. I haven't used this palette in a while. And I saw Viva Glam, if I'm saying her name correctly. She did this nice purple smoky eye, and I'm like, interesting. So that's where I got my inspo from. And if y'all want to see the hair tutorial, like I said, it will be down in the description box. Not sure which one I'm going to upload first. I might do the tutorial first, then the hair, or maybe the hair then the tutorial. I don't know. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like this video if you loved it. Comment something cute in my description box in my comment section. Leave me a little purple heart. I love you guys so much. So we're not going to keep rambling. We're going to get into this video. And yeah, okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be using this red shade. Isn't that shade? Yes, I'm going to be using this nude and this red brick shade in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this purple shade. The shade right above, which sun is this? Right above Leo. I'm going to put that shade right on my outer V / in the crease. Okay, now, so as y'all guys know, this is what I always do. I always cut my crease when I'm doing a half cut crease. It just makes it look more seamless and more clean, not too all over the place. So I'm going to cut my crease. Now I'm going to take a nice flat brush. This is, if you're wondering, this is the L201 brush. This is the Precision brush set from e.l.f. And I'm going to go in with Leo and put that right on my lid. This is Leo right here. So now I'm going to take this lighter purple. It's right over Gemini, and I'm going to put that in. I'm going to carve my crease out with that shade using another e.l.f. brush from the Precision line, and this is the 203 brush. It's basically the brow brush. You have the spoolie at the end, but I'm just using this part to really get the precise precision. Done, and now I'm going to just basically do the face, which y'all know how I do my face, like that's regular. So I'm going to basically skip through that. Well, I'm not going to skip it, you know, fast it up or whatever. So I'm going to put my foundation on and I'll be